Hey guys, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the Mopar auxiliary switch bank kit for the 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL. Now, one of the features we really liked when we first heard about the Wrangler was the ability to have 4 auxiliary switches on the dashboard right from the factory to allow you to control exterior and interior accessories. Now, if you failed to get this option with your new Wrangler, that's okay because Mopar has you covered with a part number to allow you to get a full kit that you can install at home after the fact. In fact, they actually have 2 part numbers, and it's important that you take note which one applies to your model Wrangler so that you're not missing any pieces when you get it home. Now, that being said, there's one part number that applies to the Wrangler Sport, Sport S, and Sahara trim levels, and that includes your new switch bank as well as this little cubby here. And together, those replace the larger cubby that was in the lower portion of your dashboard. Now, there's a separate kit that applies specifically to the Rubicon trim level. And with this one, you're going to get your switch bank with the silver trim and no cubby. And that's because next to the switch bank is where your controls for your front and rear lockers, as well as your sway bar disconnect are located. So it's important to make sure you order the correct kit so you're not missing any pieces for your installation. Outside of that, you're going to get everything you need to get this installed, minus a few specialized tools. So we'll start with that right off the top. You are going to be de-pinning some of the existing connectors behind the dashboard of your Jeep and under the hood. So you will need some specialized pin tools to do that without damaging the existing wires. Now, in addition to that, you will need to pay a visit to your local Jeep dealership to have them reflash your computer after the install is finished to give you access to all of the new features through your UConnect system. So with those 2 things in mind, you're going to have to decide whether this is an install you want to do at home yourself or take to your dealership and have them do it for you. Or if you want to break it in half, do the install at home and then simply take it to your dealership after the fact to have them flash your computer for you. Really up to you and your comfort level. And that being said, you're going to get all the wiring you need: underhood relays, fuses, brackets, plastic riv nuts, and new connectors, as well as zip ties, foam tape, and a whole bunch of heat shrink tubing. Now, some of that is going to be used during the installation process, and some of that, all these ones in the bags here with the little connectors, are actually provided to give you help when you're ready to connect your new accessories to the auxiliary outputs. Now, Jeep has even thought so far ahead to give you 2 different points where you can connect accessories, another really cool feature of this kit. So you're going to have your 4 outputs that are located under the hood of your Wrangler next to the battery. You're also going to get 4 outputs that are located in the passenger footwell. Now, you cannot connect 2 different accessories to the same switch under the hood or interior, but that's going to give you the option of deciding whether you're hooking up an exterior accessory like a light or an internal accessory like something like a CB radio. They've even gone as far as giving you the option to control just what kind of switch you have. So once you have that flash done at the dealership, you can access through your UConnect screen an entire menu where you can program these switches. You can set them up so that they're constant powered so that they'll work when your Jeep is turned off, or so that they are switch powered so they'll only work with the key in the on run position. And you can turn them from momentary switches, so something like a horn where it only is active while you're pressing the button, or a latched switch, so something like a light where you want to touch it, turn it on, touch it again later to turn it back off. Overall, Jeep has put a lot of thought into this kit. It's great from the factory, but if you didn't get it, that's okay because you can order it now and install it after the fact. If you want to get more information or purchase one for your Wrangler, just click on that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. If you have any questions or comments about the kit, you can leave them for us in the comments section below. Of course, you want to hit that subscribe button so you're sure to catch all of our latest Jeep Wrangler JL part reviews. And if you like today's video, make sure you give us a thumbs up. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.